What is it? Give him one more boy. Jesus.
Chief, thank God you're here. Thank God you're here. This is an abomination. I'm the one that sent those children. Those children will come call you now. I'm sending. Abomination. I'm out. I'm out.
Oluwa boy. Hey! 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 Olu. Private teacher. I talk amo. Isi na hanu ndumodu na-eso ozu alakpu n'ili. The stubborn fly follows the corpse to the grave. Didn't I say, "Unu mege dasam"? Unu mege dasam. Akwa igwa ngwa. Kina achari yoro ka busu ocha. Emeka Ifechukwu. How I go Japanese. Oga ngwa. Ele language okusigire ngwa kusigire. Ele sound ahi isa sigmeke.
When you tell na beza.
Hapu gadali he tigre. Awi e tigre bi he na bed. Gi wure ke tiga ngi tigre ke gato. Ke mo ato. What was the that same sound ahu ngwa make ya na here na. Unu dasam. Unu mege dasam. You see where you have landed yourself. Akwa na kusigire private lesson. Visa go put abed. You visa. Ele you get to it. Ko wo ele airport here. Ele ngi da. So you are na akwe.
I want to matter against as my father. Ngare advice ni
advice maybe say again. I am a water that drops on the stone. So my advice is not meant for people to listen to. So don't bother listening. Advice on your advice maybe. All the advice I have given so far, if all the youths in the whole world should hear to me and listen to every message I have always given, some of you will not be falling into trouble.
You're still putting it inside.
What is wrong with you now? Say one place. You are the one shaking it.
Stop, you didn't put it inside.
Hold on. You can never rise again in your entire life.
I'm sorry. Next time, I will listen to you.
No, there won't be next time. This is the final. There won't be next time. From here now, Pamsa Paluna Boshi.
Panyemaka no.
Enyemaka ide na ho onye nwa.
I don't know you
Isi mamre mata watu kwa mwege nanya kana achokwa ịma isi anti amu isi ogbu isi mata wo onwege inside. You still want to my isi again. See can I'm ashamed of you. Wait a minute. The other day my son was holding you like a he-goat that wants to be castrated. You were rushing. I saw your balloon. Everything around a wall of Jericho fell down flat. I saw the two blackbirds sitting on the wall. I commented. I lamented. And everybody said, this man, you talk too much. Well, I oughtn't have talked too much. I left you people. Because you said it was a private lesson that you're going to teach him German language, Indian language, which other one? Morocco language and
Russia.
Oh, Russia. You have rushed into it.
I taught in Germany.
You taught to? Oh, you taught in Germany.
I taught.
You got one not. You got on Naya.
Panyemaka biko. I can't make your jaws. I will not offend you again.
Oh, my son.
I oughtn't have known. I oughtn't have known it would be like this.
Bianyere maka ni bumbudiano. Bianyere maka ni bumbudiano. Janyere maka, Janyere
maka,
Ibumbu Diano, Aparachineke, one Janyere maka. The only person that can save you in this condition now is God Almighty. Sometimes parents will talk, but you children of nowadays, you would think you have grown, that what I saw sitting down, that you will see it while you climb on top of the mountain tree. Now look at you. All these ladies you see, they carry so many things in their bags. Who knows? Who knows whom she have offended that you mingled with what the person is eating? Who knows? May your soul rest in peace. Thank God you are wearing purple already. Yeah, very color. On the day Catholic people they do bury, and this thing with the father they wear and they decorate altar even during Lent. Now purple they use the correct. That shows death. Yeah, one. Rest in peace. Olu, nna, jishike o. Ngi no re kwage mma. You don't like her? No, you should. It's a nice resting place of the resting place of Onyentike. Rest in peace. Ma, nnam, jishike ri wo o. Nega no hazia. Nega lala mo. La Kurungishi Potowa, go and rest in peace. Maybe it's now na Babylon one yaja duki gamu. You know young ishi got Tolonia. Goodbye. I will slap you. I will slap you. I will slap you. I will put you.
And you don't say anything.
This is my brother. So my brother, welcome, sir. Ni hao. Ni hao. Ni hao. Ni hao. I don't know anything. There's no music. I am the welcome, sir.
And if you go now, this 30th of May, now London will be premiering our movie this month. If you are over there in the UK, if you are in London, Southeast London, if you are anywhere, because now one name, my mother from mother were there. This is a film, and actually, I love charity. Can't premiere any film.
Behind me, guys.
So because 30th, I have a film. The other film, I one guy named Marcus.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I'm so grateful.